Hey Ashley, Shaelee here with Midtown Marketing. I have your website pulled up here so that we can go through your online presence and see ways to increase it to get you even more customers. And starting off with your website, whoever did it did a really good job. Looks really professional, really clean. These call to actions that they have spread throughout here really help with conversion rates. So anywhere that people who are landing on your site can click to call, fill out a form, chat or text with you, that will help turn them into leads. And so quickly scrolling through here, this also will help with that conversion rate. It's a beautiful looking site here. I would recommend adding some content. Google has what's called crawlers, and they do crawl the internet 24/7. And so they're looking through all of the content on your site, and what your photos are saved as before they are uploaded to the site is also considered content. So Google's seeing what those are saved as. And they're looking for two things. They're looking for keywords as well as to see if you're providing value to your reader. So a good rule of thumb is to have at least 1,500 words on your homepage. That does also depend on your competitors. You do want to outdo them. And then you do want to have those keywords embedded throughout. One example of a keyword is Foundation Repair OKC. And whenever your future customers are searching for this, the first thing that's populating are some ads. And this is definitely something you guys can consider for yourselves. Google Ads are a great tool to increase business. And if we scroll down here, this is where the organic listing starts. And this is where your website would be ranking. 60 to 70% of business goes into the organic listing here. And you want to be ranking in the top 3. If we scroll down here, the Google Map Pack section is right in the middle of the organic listing for this keyword. The remaining 30 to 40% of business goes into this section here, and you all are ranking here, which is really good because the top 3 get a lot of that 30 to 40% of the business. The way that you are in this spot here, the first thing is that you have a Google business profile. And the next thing is that you guys have it optimized. So keep adding those geotagged photos, keep up with the Google reviews. You guys are doing a great job with the Google reviews. And then you guys have this. This looks great. Not very many people have this completely filled out. That really helps. And then keep adding local citations. So you want to have your business name, phone number, and address in your local directories. So you guys are doing a great job with your Google business profile. And if we scroll down, we're back into the organic listing here. Another ad at the bottom of the first page. And so you really want to be on the first page for the organic listing because over 90% of people will stay on the first page. But let's take a look at the #1 ranking business for this keyword. So with Level Up, they have some good call to actions as well. It'd be really easy to outdo them with content, but let's take a look at the back end of each website, and let's start with Level Up. So I have their website plugged into Ahrefs, and we're going to take a look at the UR and the DR, and these are ratings pulled from Google data. The UR and the DR, this is the trustworthiness and the authority of a website. They have 22 and 2.6. What's making up their ratings here are the 512 backlinks that they have. And these backlinks are coming from 102 referring domains. They have 1,200 keywords on their site, and right now they have 266 traffic. And so what a backlink is, it's one website linking to another one, like a shout out. And you want to be intentional with your backlinking. Google does pay attention to the quality and the relevancy of backlinks. And so you want to make sure that you have high quality backlinks so that you are boosting the UR and the DR and making sure they are relevant to your industry because Google does pay attention to relevancy. If they are spammy or not relevant, it can pull these numbers down here. So you do want to be intentional there. And let's go take a look at yours. Have your website plugged in here. First thing I notice is that you guys have good higher UR and DR. You have 31 and 27. What's making up your ratings here are the 965 backlinks that you have, and these backlinks are coming from 395 referring domains. You'll have 3,800 keywords, and there's 557 traffic every month to your site. So what I'd recommend here would be to keep adding those high quality backlinks and then making sure that they are relevant to your industry, as well as adding buyer intent keywords to your site so that you are being found for what you would want to be found for. The reason I stress buyer intent is because we want to qualify the people landing on your site from the beginning so that you are getting quality leads. One way to get high quality backlinks is called the copycat method. You can go into your competitors' backlinks here and then link those to your site as well, because if it is working for them, it would work for you. And then the next thing that we'd want to do is we would want to do an extensive research on all the good quality buyer intent keywords that apply to you. And so we could do that by looking at your competitors, see what keywords they are ranking for, but then we could also just do a search, an extensive search, and see what they're missing, because a lot of the time, competitors do not have all the good buyer intent keywords on their site. So just a quick recap. You guys are doing great with your Google business profile here. You would want to make sure that you just keep up with what you're doing. Keep consistently adding geotagged photos, 5-star reviews, and citations. And then with your website, you would want to add quality content to support those buyer intent keywords, and then high quality backlinks so that you are being boosted to the top of the first page of Google and you are being found for what you would want to be found for. And I hope that this video was helpful for you all. I look forward to hearing from you, and I appreciate you taking the time to watch. Thank you.